Hello friends, we are from Team 10. This is a video presentation of Big Data project. The main aim of the project is to develop a system for storing, analyzing and visualizing the Twitter tweets. For this, we need to develop the Twitter's developer account. We'll be getting the consumer API keys and access token keys. We have used the TP for the collection of tweets. It's a easy to use Python library for accessing the Twitter API. We have written the code for the collection of tweets in Python language. You can see it here. So we have collected the tweets based on the keyword hurricane, and the respective output files will be saved in data1.json and the data2.json. So this will be both output files. Now if you see the extraction part, for the extraction also we have written in Python language. So if you see the file here, so in this we have extracted the tweets of hurricane on the hashtags and the URLs, and the respective output files will be saved in text files named as hashtags and the URLs. So this will be both the output files. Next, I perform the word count operation in Hadoop and the Spark. We wrote a Java program for performing word count by using jar file, and after successful execution of Java program, respective word count outputs will be generated. Now we'll be seeing the programming word count in Spark. So this is a code written in Scala language. In this, we have assigned the input as hashtag txt file and the URLs are txt file. And after successful execution of this program, the output word count file will be generated. If you need to perform word count for URL, you need to replace axstar.txt to the URL.txt for the output generation. So this will be the axstar.txt output file for the word count, and this will be the word count for the URL.txt. If you want to open this, you can. So this will be the output for the hashtag stacks. So this will be the output for the URL.txt file. This is the implementation of our phase 1 of our project. The second implement of our project, we have stored the tweets that we have collected in Spark SQL table and named it as main table. We wrote 10 SQL queries to analyze the tweets, and we have performed visualizations on the outputs of SQL queries by using R programming language. Data2.json is our input file, and we have stored the JSON data into main table. Our first query will be select star from main table where lang equal to en. This query selects all the columns from the main table that are in English language, and the output will be stored in lang refiner. Our next query will be select entities dot hashtags dot text as ht from main table where entities dot hashtags dot text is not null. It selects entities dot hashtags dot text column from the main table if it is not null, and the output is stored in table 2. So if you will be seeing the next query will be written as set user.screen underscore name as view underscore n count as your count from lang refiner, and we are grouping it by user.screen name or ordering in the decimal limit chain. So it will be saving in table named as empty. We perform some more interesting queries to get the status count and friends count of an individual, and we perform the number of trips from the various devices such as iPhone, Android, iPad. These are some of the outputs of some of a query. This is the output for the friends count, and this will be the output for the status count. Now we'll perform visualizations on some outputs. This is followers count, where you can find the number of followers for each count. This is output file for devices used by the Twitter users. This is output file for the number of tweets on different hurricanes. I will use RStudio for performing visualization. First, we need to set the working directory. We need to install some required packages to read the files in our packages are successfully installed. Now we'll be checking the library. Now we'll be writing the code for generating the bar graph. First, we are reading the file from Excel sheet. Our file name is followers count. Here is the code for the file reading. The output of the file will be generated in PNG format. We are writing the command for the bar plotting. We are assigning name as follows count. Order will be in red color. Now the output is stored in the desktop. Now you can see the output file. So this is a bar graph for the followers count. Now we'll be seeing some more graph visualization. We are reading the file for results to the Excel sheet. We are saving it as 2.jpg in image format. I will be generating a pie chart, the 3D visualization. We will be writing a command as x dot equal to 0.1. The main is assigned as user devices. Some packages are not installed, we are installing the packages. The package is successfully installed. So checking the library of the package. So terminal is successfully. So now the output is saved in the desktop. Now this will be the output for the user devices in the 3D format. Next, we will be generating some more graphs. So we are reading the Excel sheet for the different hurricanes appeared on the different months. We're taking the command for the reading Excel file that we will go through. We will be coding a called 3.pg. For this we are generating a like you can say pie chart. This will be basic syntax for the commands for generating a pie chart. We need to change according to it. Now the image is downloaded in the desktop, and this will be the image for the hurricane. This is the phase 3 implementation of a project. Thank you.